Hey guys, it's your girl Lindsey and welcome back to my channel. So I've had this look in my archives for like about 3 months and I'm just now deciding to get around to it. So we'll be doing some just easy quick spice buns with a little bit of juju on the back. You know how we do it. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like, comment and share this video. Alright, so what we're gonna start out with, I'm just detangling my hair using my wide tooth comb. You know how I do it already. And then I'm just gonna start by parting my hair in two. Super simple. So after I got my hair parted in two, as you guys know, I'm using my struggle mirror. So if it's not the cleanest part, don't bother to come kill me. I already know. If you have a problem, come help me with it. Anyway, so I'm just trying to section off the top piece of my hair because we're going to be having the spice buns at the top, and I just want to get that section out of the way. Guys, I'm like rewatching this video because as I said, I did this 3 months ago, and boy, I come a long way. I came a long way. Like, I didn't even remember I had this. Okay. I was just scrolling and I was like, you know what, spice buns, yeah, let's do this. All right, so I'm starting out by kind of doing it in a top of the triangle effect, where like, I don't know, you guys always know if you've been watching me for a while, I don't really plan how my looks are going to go most times. Sometimes I have an idea in my head and then I just kind of, my hands just do the work and I just go with the flow, or I do something impromptu as the camera is rolling, and then I end up with something completely different than I thought I would. So I kind of just go in for like a, it's not really a zigzag, but kind of like an upside down V. That's what it is. I don't know what the hell I was saying about top of the triangle, but upside down V. Okay, so this kind of took me a while because I don't know, for some reason, like, it just takes so freaking long to just part my hair. Like, is my hair alone just refuse to part? Anyways, so I just kind of did that and I repeated the same steps. I did about 3 on each side at the back, as you can see. Okay, alright, finally found my scrunchie. And guys, if you do see me looking up at any point in time, probably I watch some type of gossip or something on the TV behind me, so please forgive me for that. So I'm just kind of trying to neaten up the part with the upside down V, and as I said, I did about maybe 3 on each side at the back. Okay guys, so I finally finished each section. I kind of just did it kind of rough. I'm just going to go back in with each section and then use some shine and jam. I know I'm using shine and jam. You guys know I'm using the shine and jam for this, all right? And then I'm going to re-secure it with the elastic band, and I did soak my elastic bands in some oil just to prevent any breakage, give it easier slip when I'm removing it. And I'm so sorry I did not show the product in this video. And this video is from like when I kind of just started this channel and I didn't know what was up, like the Lindsey show the people them what you're using. So, but we all know it's shine and jam, we know. So I'm just going to go back in and secure it and then just pull it gently. Don't pull it like say you're trying to give yourself a headache. So now that we finally finished with the back, we kind of just moving towards the front. So this part, nothing special going on around here. I'm just going I know I'm using my Got To Be Glue gel to secure my hair. I know that for a fact, guys. As I said, I didn't know what was up. Got To Be Glue gel just to lay my edges down using my trusty boar brush. Use a good brush. That is the trick, one of the tricks how I get my hair to lay down so well. And honestly, I'm just going to, I don't want to say catch up because not everybody watching this going on. I'm going to catch up my hair. I'm just going to gather my hair into a small bun on each side. Now, you can bun it, you can plait it, and then bun it. It's completely up to you, but I just felt more comfortable putting it in a small bun and then securing it with a moisturized rubber band. Sorry I didn't get to show you how I finished the back. I just connected the sections with an elastic band. I was having some problem with the clips for this video. Alright guys, so with this part now, we're just gonna go ahead and use some conical on here. Lord God, what kind of hair this? You know what kind of hair this is? This is the Jumbo 125 hair that I've used in my previous videos because I had like 1,000,001 packs of that hair and I was using it till it till it rotten, you understand? So I just go ahead and I just grab some random pieces of the hair and I just kind of twine it and I just freestyle with it. I didn't know how this bun was going to turn out, you know. I just twine and wrap and freestyle and just as until it looked like something. It looked like something, you know. And then when I was satisfied, then I went ahead and I secured it with a bobby pin. And you know, you can make the bun as big as you want, as small as you want. If you are blessed with thicker hair than I am, because my hair is pretty fine, you can probably more than likely do this with your natural hair. I'm sure that will be just as bomb. I wish my hair did not get the thick memo, but fake it till we make it, okay? So I just went ahead and I just kept doing that until I was finished. Now I know this is one pack of the Jumbo 125 hair, so in total I use about 2 packs. You can use more or less depending on your preference. So it's the same thing that I did. I just grab random sections and I just twine the hair, just play around with it, make a spicy bun, make a top knot, you know. So I could have done a knot at like a top. Well, I mean, I guess you could consider it kind of like a top knot. Would you consider this a top knot or a bun? I'm going to call it a bun. You call it whatever you want to call it, but I'm sure it's still gonna be bomb. But we get the memo. And then when you're done, and you can also see that I'm using my molding wrap to just help to set my edges, because you know the molding wrap, we can't do without that wrap, guys. So now we're just gonna grab the other pack and just attach it. I'm using the elastic, the rubber band that came with the hair, and just attaching it to my bun, and then we're just gonna wrap it round. Same procedure. Now guys, I am looking in the background of this video, forgive me. I know you guys see it. Lindsey, why your background lean like say you live in a giddy house? For my people from Jamaica, you know I'm at top about. If you don't, I'll probably explain it. Anyways, I didn't realize that the camera was so lean, guys, like, but you can see what I'm doing. That matters, and I'm in frame. That's what matters. So anyways, I'm doing the same thing on the other side. I'm trying my best to get them to be the same size as possible, because I know I did this I think a couple times, because one was looking kind of leanish and I was kind of looking a bit lopsided. So you might have to go back in, you know, unless you get really lucky and you end up getting them the same size. But I tried to follow the same flow that I did for the first one, and just twine and wrap. And I did it as tightly as possible because I wanted it to be tight and neat, you know, for this video. So, and then when I'm done, I secured it with a bobby pin. Alright guys, so I'm just going to be using these gold cuffs I got from my local beauty supply store and just putting them over the elastic bands on the back of my head, you know, because we can. Okay guys, so here we have the finished look. Super easy, super simple, super quick, double space spicy buns. Not sure what I'm going to call this video yet, but I'm sure you'll see it because you're watching it now. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on all socials at _ Lindsey Beth. Have some more stuff planned coming for you guys. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Till next time, bye.